Why does my iPhone charge only at a certain angle? So let me explain that. Let's talk about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, of course, I cannot see your phone right away, but I'm pretty sure that it is caused by a faulty charging cable. This is the most common scenario because in the past, the cables were not these braided cables, which are, not so smooth when you touch them, because these are much less likely to break. But the older cables on the iPhone, which, as I said, were kind of like rubbery looking, or they were very smooth when you touch them, those tended to break a lot. And it is possible that it only works at a certain angle because the cable can only deliver power to the battery under that angle. So it's very likely that if you switch to a different charging cable and a setup, that it's going to work perfectly fine. Outside of that, the only issue could be in your port, but that is less likely to happen, even though it could still be dirty, or there could be some debris that gets stuck in the port. So you should very gently try to see, and if you get it out, if there is some sort of debris, for example, from the jeans. A lot of people have their phones in their pockets, and there could be something accumulated inside of the port, which prevents the phone from being charged properly. And if that's the case, then you can clean it up, try to do it yourself gently, and perhaps it could help you out as well. But I would say that you should test out a different cable to see if it helps, because I definitely think and believe that this could be the issue. So I hope it helps. If you have any further questions or some other things you might have in mind, just leave it below. It is possible I'll make more videos about this, but I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.